What's up guys, Manny here, and we're back in the Nissan Urban. But we're not going to be talking about the Nissan Urban because that subject has been talked many times already. So in this video we will be doing an unboxing. Just got this package the other day from a good friend of mine based in Manila. Sent it to me. He told me like, oh, there's your watch, your wristwatch is on the way. I go, oh really? Holy shit. So thank you, man. You know who you are. I'm not gonna say your name because for privacy sake. Reason why my friend sent me this box, because this was part of a deal that we made back in June of 2021. Because back then I sold a motorcycle to him. It was a 2019 BMW R90 Special. It was a pre-owned bike, owned by my good friend Alan Adolfo, who owns a second-hand car dealership. And then I sold it. I sold it to this guy who sent me this box. And then while we were in the middle of negotiations and making a deal happen, he said to me, "Manoy, if this deal, if we're gonna close this deal, I'm gonna give you a wristwatch." Showed me an image, and I was like, "What? Really? Are you sure about that?" So, probably just another bluff. I was thinking like, okay, whatever. I just wanted to close the deal for I wanted him to buy the BMW, and well, yeah, he did. He's happy with the bike. He did some mods with it. We exchanged messages. Months after that, as to what he did to the bike and what rides has he done and so on and so forth. But anyway, yeah, so it's been what, 6-7 months after the transaction, and then he just said, "Your watch is on the way." Oh really? Sure. Really? Why not? I didn't know what to say, but then the fact that he sent me a picture of the receipt, so oh, this guy's not kidding. All right. So anyway, dude, thank you very much for this gift. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but thank you very much. Okay. Anywho, I'm on my way back to the gas station. I've been carrying this box for like a couple of days already. I've been dying to open this, but I told myself, save it. Let's do an unboxing video. Let's see how it goes. It's for content. I haven't uploaded any videos recently, except for the last one. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the gas station. I'm on my way there. We're gonna do an unboxing. We'll see.